Good evening, hello fellow hustlers. Ayan na nga siya and welcome back to my page. And yes, so today is the 7th of the 2 for 2 challenge, and the question for today's topic is, tingnan natin, how do you earn from this business? Okay, we are getting to the exciting part na. Totoo na talaga. Ito na. Okay. So, how do we earn from this business? Okay. First, we have 4 different income streams. There are 4 different ways to earn in this business. Okay. And once we progress, once our business, builds up and progresses, we get to access or tap or unlock the other income streams. So, isa yon. Now, we are affiliated with a 50-year-old company present in 25 countries in 40 plus different locations all over the world. So, ganun siya, kaya global talaga tayo. And since we are the company's digital marketers, ayan na, we get to tap on the world's most lucrative, one-of-a-kind compensation, retirement plans, and rewards. And since then, our goal also is to help other interested individuals to open up their own businesses. So once it's up and running, we get paid with incentives as well, and it's paid fairly and evenly. Now, we are also paid in different ways by continent. So let's say here in Asia and Europe, we get paid direct to our bank accounts. But on other parts of the world like USA, Canada, Australia, they get their pays, they pay days through paycheck, and they they receive it through their mailbox. So ganun, and ganun ang paraan ng pagbabayad sa amin bilang mga digital marketers. So I hope that my answer is somehow helpful and useful sa inyo guys. So if you want to know more, please follow my page, and also sign up to my website www.jedlopez.com. And yeah, I'll see you on my next one. God bless everybody. Bye. Kape na tayo.